Welcome back to Soapncrafts. Members can now access for the full version and recipe of this tutorial. To make Swiss roll soap, prepare a tray to use as a mold, and line it with printer paper. Next step is to prepare soap base. Cut the soap base into small chunks. Soap base can be melted with microwave or double boiler. Weight 100 gram of soap base and melt it. I use a microwave to melt the soap base, as it's the most convenient method for me. I set the microwave to medium heat and heat the soap base for 30 seconds. Timing may vary due to different setting. Use darker shade than your desired color, as the soap will lighten after whipping. Whip with a whisk or stick blender until the mixture becomes foamy and triples in volume. Mix more with the spatula, then pour into the lined mold. Melt another 100 grams of soap base. Add fragrance oil to the melted soap base. Pour the mixture to the soap base. Use electric whisk to mix until the mixture becomes foamy and triples in volume. Use utility knife to separate the four sides of the cake. Lightly score the surface with a knife to help the cream layer adhere better. Pour 2/3 of the cream onto top of the cake layer. Save the rest of the cream to be used for piping later. Use spatula to spread the cream evenly. Once the cream is slightly set, remove the liner from the mold. Use utility knife again to carefully separate the soap cake from the liner. Roll the cake as you would a sushi roll. Applying firm pressure to form and hold the shape. Cut the cake roll to your desired length. Use silicone berry molds to create small soap berries for decoration. last fun step is decorate the soap cake. Pour leftover whipped cream soap into a piping bag and pipe. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in watching the whole tutorial and access to the full recipe, please join the member. I will be happy to assist with problem solving in the member area. See you next time!